Hey all, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. In today's video, I'm gonna show one of the awesome feature of a library known as Meto library. So it's a JupyterLab extension and Python library which produces the Python code depending upon the what you perform operation on spreadsheet. So let's begin. What you need to just do, uh, install what I've created a separate conda environment, activated it, install Meto installer library, and launch the JupyterLab. So this is the Meto GUI that is open for you. So let's import a dataset. So this is the imported dataset, and it is having the following columns and its corresponding value. So as we have imported a dataset, a corresponding Python code is being generated. So for example, what we'll do, let's filter out this. So I'm gonna filter it out according to ascending order. So when we click on ascending, a corresponding Python code is generated to sort the values on columns bathroom by ascending order. Similarly, what you can do, you can change the data type of a column star center. So corresponding Python code will be generated to convert the column bedroom as type star. You can even add a column, give it a name, let's say parking. So it will generate a separate column and generate a corresponding Python code to it. So it has inserted a column at third position, and we have renamed the column from this to this. If we update the value of a column, it will update here. And what we can do, we can even add two columns such as bathrooms plus floors. It will update your code. So first we have updated the parking to 1, and then after we have changed its value to this, so it has updated its corresponding code. What we can even do, we can drop a column. So it will generate a code of data underscore csv to drop. And what we can even do, we can generate a pivot. Okay, so let's perform operation on bedrooms and count. So this is my str value, and it is producing the count of each value. We can even merge two datasets. As you can see, we need to have two datasets, and we can perform operation on top of it. We can even generate a graph. Okay, let's move here. Yeah, on x-axis let's have bedrooms. So as you can see in our dataset, we have two bedrooms of count 2, three bedrooms of count 1, 2, 3, and 4 count of 1. We can even draw different types of charts such as scatter, histogram, and other types of graph. So it gives a better uh, GUI where we can perform an operation on our spreadsheet and generate a corresponding Python code to it. So it becomes easier for an individual who is new to Python and will help him to write a code, and you can track your progress whatever the steps you have done in the step history. So we have created a Meteor sheet, imported our CSV file, sorted, and these are the various history for it. So hope you liked my video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.